Let's build a real, polished shopping cart, one real piece at a time. Before anything can happen, the app needs real handles to the list and total elements already sitting on the page, plus a genuine empty array to actually hold every item. Everything else here builds on these three. This function is written once and reused for every single change whenever the cart is updated. Calling it genuinely rebuilds the whole list with map, updates the item count, and uses reduce to recalculate the real total, so the screen never falls out of sync with the actual data. Calling it right now, before any items exist, genuinely proves the function actually works. The real browser shows an empty cart and $0 rendered for real, not just assumed. Rather than writing separate code every time an item gets added, this function genuinely centralizes it, push the new item onto the real array, then call renderCart so the actual screen reflects that change immediately. Watch the real cart below, coffee genuinely appears and the total jumps to $4.50, live, because an item just did its actual job. The exact same real function is called again with different arguments, proof it's genuinely reusable, no copy-pasted logic needed for a second item. Removing is the mirror of adding. Filter genuinely builds a brand new array that excludes the matched item, and reassigning cart keeps everything consistent before the real re-render. Coffee genuinely disappears from the actual list below, and the total drops, real proof that filter did its job, not just a description of what it should do. The same real add item function, still doing all the work, muffin genuinely joins the actual cart. One more real item added the exact same way, the cart now actually holds 3, and the total keeps tracking every one accurately. Instead of directly overwriting the original items, this genuinely creates a new array where each item is copied using the spread operator and its price actually recalculated, a real, safer pattern than mutating data in place. Every real price in the actual list drops by 10% at once, live proof the discount math genuinely applied to every single item, not just one. Sort needs to actually know how to compare two items. Subtracting one real price from another genuinely tells it which one should come first, cheapest to most expensive. The actual list below genuinely reshuffles, the cheapest item visibly moves to the top, live, proving the comparator really works. Sometimes you need a subset without touching the original. Filter genuinely creates a brand new array of just the items actually priced over $3, leaving the real cart completely untouched. Chaining filter into map is a real, common pattern. First narrow down to what you actually care about, then genuinely pull out just the one piece of data you need, here just the names. A class genuinely bundles related data and behavior together. The constructor actually stores whatever items it's given, and the two getters compute real, live stats from them on demand instead of storing numbers that could go stale. Creating a real instance and reading its getters shows the whole point of a class. Ask it for item count or grand total and it genuinely computes the real answer from the actual cart it was given. A real checkout can't happen instantly. Await pauses here on a genuine promise and set timeout to simulate that real-world delay, and try catch is what actually protects the app if something genuinely goes wrong. After a real simulated delay, the actual console logs success and a genuine green paid badge appears below, the complete checkout flow, actually working start to finish. That's the full JavaScript series. Go build something real with it.